everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung anong editing apps ang aking ginagamit sa aking mga videos sa YouTube. Itong editing apps nito is walang watermark and very easy and simple. So, makakapag-edit ka dito ng video mo na pwede mo i-crop, pwede mo i-trim, pwede mo rin i-prolong yung title, and also you can do the voiceover and the music background. So, siguro tuturo ko na po sa inyo kung ano yung kung ano itong editing apps na aking ginagamit. So, wag na natin patagalin and punta na tayo sa aking phone. So, let's go guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nandito na tayo sa aking telephone. So, ito yung Vlogit na ginagamit ko. So, if you don't have Vlogit, you can install it to your Play Store. It's free without watermark. So, let's start now. Press lang natin ang Vlogit. So, you can see here from library, we get some videos here. So, like for example, I will get some videos here. The short one only. Ayan. So, press lang natin yung arrow. And then, we start editing our videos. So, let's edit our video here. Press yung pin. And then, you can trim, split, snapshot, crop, rotate, duplicate, volume, or delete. If your video is double or duplicate, you can delete one. And then if the background is very noisy, so example here, have sound, so you can reduce the volume. Ayan, you can mute the volume and then press check. So no more sound already. So let's go back here, and then if you like to edit, example, this is Peninsula Hotel, so we press the text message here. So type lang natin the Peninsula Hotel, Hong Kong. And then press check, and then you can choose the background, you can add a style, so you can press the I always use this one. So if you like to change the color, you can change the color like this, example like this only, and then press the check. Now example, if you like to put some subscribe button, because I don't know how to use the subscribe button with bell, so I always just use the subscribe button that is that we can get from our sticker. So here okay, let's type some subscribe. And then you press check whenever you finish typing, and then you put here, and then you can change the color, usually red, and press the check. And also if you like to prolong this subscribe button, you can press this one until the video finish. You can still see the subscribe button there. And yan. And also you can choose some sticker. So I usually use this subscribe button. And also you can use the sticker here, whatever you like, you can get. And also audio, you can choose your music from the audio library of this editing apps. You can choose. They have also some effects. And also in your device, if you have downloaded videos, music, you can choose also. So that's all. You can download some music, and also the voiceover. So you can use the voiceover. Ayun, pag nakatapos ka na mag-voiceover, you can press the check. And then, if you like to adjust the volume, you can adjust so that your voice is very clear and loud, and then press the check. And also press the check once again. You can also insert some photos there or video, so press lang natin yan. Like for example, this one, this short video only, this one. So ayan, nag-insert tayo ng video. So we put here at the side, and then if you like to prolong, you can also prolong, like for example photos. So you can prolong your photos until the video will finish and you can still see your photos there. So just press the check. I don't know why there is no video there. Okay, why no video? Sorry guys, I don't see any video, so we will get some more videos. Photos, maybe photos. We'll try the photos. Like for example, this one. I don't know why there's no photos there. Ayun, nagkamali pala ako. So, ayun, may photos na siya and it will stay there until the video will finish. So, press the check. And also, you can choose also the transition. If you have a lot of videos, and you can do the transition. And also the speed, if you like to make your video short, you can use the speed. So just press the speed and filter adjustment. So ayun guys, very easy and simple lang itong aking editing apps na ginagamit, and without watermark. So if you're finished, just press the check and then wait for the exporting of your video. So I will show you the video that has no watermark. So ayan, mabilis lang yan guys, please bear with me. So ayan, diba? It's very easy and simple. You can also edit some photos or videos in your PixArt, and you can also transfer her, or you can also edit some other videos in your other apps, and then you can add in here. So save to the camera roll, and then now you can also share it directly to your YouTube or video or whatever. So nandoon na yun guys sa library ko. So let's go to my library. So andito na siya guys sa library. Panoorin natin. Diba wala siyang watermark guys. So that's all guys for today. So hope you like this video, and please comment down below, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Your friends all say it's fine, but